Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Star Health Insurance IPO. About Star Health Insurance company, it's a Chennai-based largest private health insurance companies in India. And in FY 2021, it has a market share of approximately 16%. And this company primarily focus on the retail health insurance segment, and it offers a wide range of options like retail health, group health, personal accident insurance, and overseas travel insurance. And it distributes policies through individual agents, banks, and through other corporate companies. Star Health Insurance IPO details. IPO is going to open on 30th November. It's going to close on 2nd December. The IPO price band is 870 to 900 per equity share, and the lot size is 16 shares. If you see the issue size, total size is 7,249 crores, and fresh issue is only 2,000 crores, and offer for sale is 5,249 crores. Employees are going to get a discount of 80 per share. If you see the way I discussed in the previous slide, the objects of the IPO has two components. One, offer for sale, 5,249 crores. And under OFS, generally the selling shareholders will be selling their shares in the company, and the company is not going to get any proceeds from this IPO. Fresh issue of 2,000 crores. These proceeds will be utilized for company's capital base and insolvency level. Let's see company financial performance. Yeah, if you see, company has shown good revenue growth between FY19 and FY20. However, if you see FY21 and Q1 of FY22, revenues are showing negative. So generally for health insurance companies, the revenue, the formula is a little different, right? The total gross premiums received minus the total claims paid by the company is going to be termed as a revenues. So if you see FY 2021, it has 9,077 million uh, negative revenue, which means that it has paid excess more claims than the gross premiums received, right? And if you see the profits also, it was showing good improvement between FY19 and 20. However, if you see FY21 and Q1 of FY22, it's showing losses. Why to invest in Star Health IPO? It's one of the largest private health insurance companies in India. It has an attractive retail health segment, and it's also the largest health insurance hospital networks in India. And if you see, it's a market leader in the retail health insurance business. It's almost three times compared to its next level of peers like HDFC Ergo and new insurance company. And this company is backed up by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Generally, we all know stocks invested by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are considered as best bet by the stock market investors. And if you see, company expense are at 29% of gross premiums received, which is the lowest among the entire standalone health insurance companies in India. Let's see some of the risk factors of investing in Star Health Insurance IPO. One, we discussed in the previous slides. The Star Health Insurance incurred claim ratio has increased from an average of say 63.5% between FY19 and FY20 to 94% in FY21, and there may be 2 to 3% variance, 91% in Q1 FY22. This is the main reason for the company indicating negative revenues and losses in the last 1.5 year. Company profits also, loss also increased in last 1.5 year, and recent COVID-19 outbreak also has affected majorly, and it's going to continue for another few more quarters. And investors should read all the risk factors indicated in the RHP. How to apply for Star Health IPO? You need to have a Demat account, log into a Demat account, visit the IPO section, check for the Star Health Insurance IPO link, and click on bid and select the IPO price, the quantity, and then submit. How are the IPO valuations for Star Health IPO? If you take last 3 years weighted average EPS, then PE works out to be 989x. Since the company has incurred loss in FY21 and even for Q1 of FY22, then we cannot compute the P ratio for this period. Means company is asking the IPO price of the P of 989x. There are listed this like ICICI Lombard Health Insurance trading at a 46x PE, which is the highest in the industry, and New India Assurance Company, which is 15.3x, lowest in the healthcare industry, and the industry average PE is at 31x. So while it's not appropriate, if we take last 3 years financials and check the PE, then the IPO price is highly priced. Should you invest in Star Health Insurance IPO? It's one of the leading private health insurance companies in India. Company has negative revenues due to high incurred claim ratio, majorly due to COVID-19 pandemic, and it's going to continue for another few more quarters. So on the face of it, Star Health IPO price is highly priced. Company has a very good brand, and but it has a very high incurred claim ratio in the last 18 months, and it might continue for a few more quarters. So at this point of time, we are neutral on this IPO. So one can wait and watch this IPO. If the shares are available at a lower price post listing, then investors can think about investing in this company shares for a medium and long term perspective. This is my personal view. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, Suresh at myinvestmentidea.com. Bye bye.